How you doing? We're here with Ginger and the Desert Creations. We're starting out with a new big old project. We've got a 6-piece, ultimately, chest of drawers. Because I like being a furniture painter. Let's get started. Let's go paint! I'm going to start out by just letting some black run down. And we got a goober backing this up here. You wouldn't know that I strained my Floetrol. You really wouldn't. Actually, I don't have the patience for this nonsense. We are going to pull off the cap and just pour gently. And see if I can follow directions to pour. Gently. Gentle pour. Let it run to the bottom. Okay. Alright. And I'm going to call that good enough because we've got 18 ounces of colors to pour on top of it. I have mixed up the cups. Looks like this one might have green on top. But we come in and we just kind of pour and let it cascade and do what it wants. With all of its waterfally might. And that's what it's doing so far. It's got this marble effect going on, which is pretty cool. And coming in right here, gold to start with. And come up close. Okay. Now, I'm going to remove our elevation and tilt till something makes sense. Not loving that negative space we got going on right there, so I'm going to get rid of that. Like that, pretty much. Pull back, because where we poured it has just about nothing. And now I think we just kind of need to make an effort to get some of that paint down here. This one's going to be dark and interesting. Whatever it turns out to be, it's going to be dark and interesting. See if we can run some paint down to those areas in the corner there. This corner, that corner. I feel like I can't judge well what's going on when all of the magic will happen when it's dry. It hasn't quite gone over the edge there. It looks like there might even be a lump sitting there teasing us. Just taunting. I will sit here as long as I like. Okay. There's so much going on with the colors. I don't know, this is an interesting cloudy thing going on. I'm not sure what color it's playing with. I don't know if that's white or if that's gold or what that actually is. I can't see it well enough. Violet here, blue I think is here. There's a little bit of green in there. I know I saw it earlier. Actually, this even maybe a green mist, I don't know. I have no idea what to think of this kind of thing because I have no concept of what the colors will be until it's done. Until it's like dry, solid, set in stone. But let's come down and take a look at it. I don't love what that's doing, but you know, I don't think that it'll notice too much in the final product. I'm not sure what is... I think up and down may be reversible in this thing because there's like the same kind of holes either way. I don't have a ton of experience with IKEA furniture, but I think there is a difference between what is the back and what is the front, but I don't remember where the holes are. Let's come down and take a look at it. All right, how close can we get without strobing? Let's take a look. This weird, freaky cloud effect that is happening with that white. I kind of hope it's gold. I kind of hope it's green. I kind of just hope it's good. I don't know. I don't love the big cells in the white, but it might not be so distracting. Let's try to move a little slower, shall we? I'm just rushing right along and say hello to the strobe again. At some point, I maybe should invest in some software that allows me to just edit out a strobe, because I hate trying to work around it. I do. I think there's a lot of blue and violet down here, but I don't know what else. It is very hard to have an opinion on something that will change so much over time. Yeah, I'm crossing my fingers anyway. Stay tuned for the dry result. So far, this project has been a nightmare to film. But take a look at this. This big old thing that I'm afraid to put on an easel because it's too damn heavy. It's oil slick. Let's take a closer look. Check out the blue, the purple, the yellow, all the stuff that's going on. It mixed so beautifully with the white and the black. Did so many very cool things, including the webby cloudiness up in this corner that I love oh so much. It looks like a rain puddle in winter at a gas station, and I don't know that that's a good thing or not, but it does look amazing. So there you have it, oil slick. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see ya next Sunday. Bye-bye.